Hey everybody, my name is John from American Eagle Plumbing. The home of flowing freedom, or the master plumber, comes right to you. We offer upfront pricing. We're gonna give you some options. We're gonna go through them and discuss what works best for you and what you're wanting to do in your home. We do water heaters, toilets, faucets, fixtures, water softening. We can remove the forever chemicals that exist in the water supply. If you have any questions or concerns and you're wondering just what is the best fit for you and your family's needs, give us a call. We'd love to be able to talk through those options for you. We offer financing and we can help you with the investment. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'd love to be able to have the opportunity to serve you. Be great.